You've seen these edits where the camera's moving smooth and all that, like super realistic, and you're wondering if this is magic. And I'm gonna be honest, it probably is. But you see, I don't have enough XP magic, so I'll show you how you can do this effect in After Effects in Premiere Pro. This is gonna be crazy. What you're gonna do is create a new null object. Maybe duplicate it a few times, you know what I'm saying? Put some motion blur on it, and then link them. So you link the bottom to the top using the whip tool. You do this for all of them. You just link the bottom one to the top, and then keyframe the position, the scale, or whatever you're trying to move. You go a few frames further, you scale in, you do your position. You actually go to the sides, or I try to use this on the things that pop up on the screen. Once you made your little move, right, zooming in, looks normal, you press F9. So easy it. And then you open up a new null object and you do the same exact thing. You just move it somewhere else. But to achieve this effect, this is a key part, you keyframe it in the middle of these two. So you have a new keyframe in between these two, but it's on a different null object. And then you go beyond those keyframes and you change the position again so that it overlaps on top of each other. That is the key point to making the animation smoother. I'm actually gonna spread these out a little bit. And then you keep going. You go on the top one. Once again, set a position and the scale. So you can scale out, whatever, F9. Make sure you always ease it. So here's how this effect is supposed to turn out. Alright, look, so what you're gonna do in Premiere, it's a little different, but it's kind of like the same thing. So you're gonna look up transform. Yo, I'm misspelling this, bro. There we go. Obviously, from the editing sample preset back, there's no other way to use the transform effect. Alright, make sure you disable the use composition shutter ranking. Or at least for me, it seems to give it motion blur. And then what you do is you copy it and you do the same thing as the null objects, right? You paste multiple. And then you keyframe the position, the scale. You go a little bit further in your video and you do your movements. Zoom in a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Go to the up, go up, left. Make sure easy is it. One way you can do it is do auto bezier on the keyframes. Auto bezier, bro, I don't know if I'm saying this right, but for the position, I don't really know how you can make it keyframed with that, unless you do ease in, whatever, but I do them manually. Now we have to stack them on top of each other. So you see this? We create a ladder once again. So you do the position and the scale. Keep going. I'm just showing you how to do this. Like, you don't have to get a video of some weird shit and then, yeah, here we go. I did the last keyframe. Yo, what is that? Looks like someone's grabbed the camera, like fucking, like grabbed it, you know what I'm saying? That's the whole purpose of this effect. It's kind of to just make things look realistic. Thank you for watching the video.